13 लाख रेल्वे कामगार रात दीस काम करतात. ह्या वर्सा जाल्ल्या अपघातांत कांय प्रवाशांक मार लागला, पूण कोणाक मरण येवंक ना. हाचे श्रेय आमी रात दीस ना थकता ना मोसमाची पर्वा करता काम करपी त्या कामगारांक दिता, म्हण रेल्वे मंत्री पियुष गोयल हांणी कळीत केला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Of accident-free railway, so
it's casualty-free railway. We have had occasional incidents of accident also, but in the last 9 months, we have not had any casualty. That means nobody has died, no fatality. Casualties, injuries are there, no fatality. So in the last 9 months, from 1st April to now 25th, today 28th of December, till now we've had no fatality of any railway passenger. I think it's a great achievement by 13 lakh employees of the Indian Railways who work day and night through thick and thin, through rain, snow, heat or even violence, but ensure that trains run smoothly. We have improved the cleanliness, we have improved the punctuality, we have very drastically improved the safety. And you'll be happy to know the year 2017-18 was the safest year in Indian Railways in its 165-year history. Then the year 18-19 was even safer than that. And in the current year, I have my fingers crossed, but in the first 9 months till today, no fatality.